Hi there, and welcome to Data Analysis with Pandas. My name is Boris Pascaver, and I'm a business analyst based in New York City, and I've used Pandas extensively over the last year for just about every data analysis project I've had to do. Pandas is a powerful open source library built on top of the Python programming language. In fact, it's so powerful that I like to call it Excel on steroids. This course offers a comprehensive overview of the package, starting with the setup and installation process, and proceeding all the way to visualization. Over more than 18 hours of lessons, I'll show you numerous features and functionalities available in Pandas, starting with the basics, like sorting and filtering, to more complex data operations like aggregating, grouping, pivoting, cleaning, munging, deduping, merging, concatenating, and more. We'll work with a multitude of varied datasets that include data types of all varieties: strings, numbers, booleans, datetimes, and more. So whether you're a business analyst looking to pick up one of the most in-demand skill sets available today, whether you're a seasoned Excel veteran eager to learn a more powerful tool for your everyday work, whether you're a data scientist or statistician looking to explore a new technology, or simply just a curious learner, the Data Analysis for Pandas course offers you a robust introduction to one of the most powerful data analysis toolkits available today. Thanks for checking out the course.